In this video, we are going to show you how to make self-made stove and melt your own mask into liquid that can be reused to make delicate crafts. First, we need a small metal bowl used as a fuel container. And then, put the solid fuel into the metal bowl. Lit with an ordinary match. The temperature of solid fuel is very high, so you must take protective measures, like mask and gloves. Do not get too close to avoid amporosis. Then put a steel board on top of the bowl as support layer. Be careful not to cover the bowl completely. If there is no air, the fire in the bowl will go out. Then place another metal container on top of the steel board. The self-made stove is complete. Next, let's talk about the treatment of masks. Here we can simply divide the mask into 3 parts: the stretchable elastic ear loops, the aluminum wire, and the mask itself. Before melting, the aluminum wire needs to be pulled out of the mask. Cut the mask away from the wire and you can pull the wire out easily. Then cut off the elastic ear loop. Because of the different material, this part is not easy to be melted, and there may be impurities in the final product. Then cut the mask to the right size, depending on the size of your container. Usually half size or quarter size will be enough. If your container is really small, you can cut it in half again. Masks of different colors can be melted together. It will give you surprise. And finally, place the metal container with the mask on the steel board and just wait for the mask to melt. If the melting rate is too slow, you can also add some alcohol pads to help melt. Alcohol pads will just melt in there. You want to see it in the final works. Let me show you some examples of how this works. And of course, if the solid fuel is not easy to ignite, you can also add alcohol pads to help. Finally, please remember, never try it at home. Please do it outdoors and away from people, and take appropriate protective measures, such as wearing masks and heat insulation gloves.